Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video, I'm going to show you best 5 apps you must use in the month of January 2019. So what are you waiting for? Let's see what are those 5 apps you must use in the month of January 2019. So I'm Shafi, you're watching Chef Technique channel. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, so the name of the first app is Utter Voice Notes. So guys, this app is really super. So first, let me give you the proof of this app. So guys, so now here I'm recording one sample audio for you. So now here I'm recording audio. So guys, after recording the audio, I will tap on OK. So now I recorded and tap on OK. So guys, so now see the magic. What's going to happen? So guys, so now here you can see uploading audio. So here you can see uploading a audio. Now here you can see processing transmit. So guys, I make sure that it process fully. Means processing a transmit means loading. So make sure that it loads successfully. So here it's loading. Let's wait until it loads. So now it loaded successfully. So I'm going to tap on play button. So whatever did I speak, that's all here you can see in the text format. So this is a really best feature. And if you want to listen any type of speech or any type of classes, then just record the audio and then see the text format. So let's go to the dashboard. So here it's the dashboard. So there are your history. Those are the recordings. And now here you can also create a group between your friends and families. So let's go to the settings and advanced settings. So let's go to the device storage. So you can also change the device location. So really this is the best app. So go and check it out. Link will be in the description below. So guys, so the name of the second app is Pop Stickers for WhatsApp. So guys, so this is a really best app for stickers. So now here let's open the app. So here it's loading. So first let me show you about this app. So now here you can see we have categories like animal, festival, food and many more. So guys, so here you can see some categories. So now first let me select any one category. So I'll select a animal. So yes, in the animal I'll select a cute cat, and here you can see plus icon. So tap on plus icon. So yes, after tapping on the plus icon, then your WhatsApp will be open. So yes, in the WhatsApp app, tap on add. So guys, after tapping on the add, you can see those stickers on your WhatsApp. So really this app is a really best app for stickers. So if you want any type of stickers, then you can just download this app and then you can add the stickers. So here let me show you the proof. Oh sorry, so first I'm showing the proof. So now here you can see cute cat one. So here you can see those all stickers are related to cute cat. So guys, this is the really best app. So go and check it out even this app. So link will be in the description below. So not only this cute cat, so we have many type of categories. So really best app of the 2019. You must use this app in the 2019. So guys, the name of the third app is Reachability Cursor. So guys, this app, everyone must and should have this app. So now I'm going to open the app. So now here you can see accessibility settings. So you have to give the permissions. So now here you can see the app name and tap on OK. So now go back, and after going to the back, tap on continue. So guys, after tapping on the continue, here you can see. So now what is the use of this app? So mobiles are becoming big. So mobiles are going up to 7 inches also. But if you want to type anything, then you can't reach with your hand. So now see this app how it works. So now here we have to slide from left side. So now let me slide it. So guys, after sliding, now here you can see we got one cursor. So using this cursor, we can operate on mobile. So this is a really must and should have application. So yes, yeah, mobiles are becoming big, but if you operate with our hand, then it is too hard. So it's too difficult to operate. So use this app. So this app will be useful for you, and then not only for mobiles, you can also use this app for tablets. So main tablets are weak, so you can use this app. Yeah, really best app. So now here you can see how I am using it. And so first let me give some so guys, let me give some proof how this app is working. So now here I'm opening Snapseed. So yes, so like that. So this is a really best app. So yes, go and check out this app. So link will be in the description below. So guys, so the name of the fourth app is SIP. Yes, SIP is a really best app for news. So guys, if you are a tech lover, means if you like technology news, then this app is very important for you. So in this app you will get all the news related to technology. So maybe you are a tech lover or you are not a tech lover, but I am a tech lover because I love technology. So I really use this app. So I found this app is really best. So I used this app in this video. So now so let's see how this app is working. So now here you can see there are some news. So really this app is a best app for technology news. So not only one news, we will have many news, and so I said those all news are official. So not fake news, those all news are totally official. So here let me give some other. Yes. So if you tap on mark as read, then it means that you read all the notifications. So now again I'm going to open this app. So I will open this app again, and I will show you still more video about this one. So here the app opened. So yes, now I'll tap on any one app. So I'll tap on any one news. So here let's tap on Samsung foldable phone. So yes, so here you can see it's loading, and so here we got the news. So now so here you can see the news. So guys, if you tap, so you can also get some tweets. So those all are the tweets given in the Twitter. So guys, a really best app. So go and check it out. Link will be in the description below. So guys, so the last but not the least app is bottom quick settings. So guys, this app is a really useful app. So now let me show you how this app works. So sir, tap on service not running. So we have to tap on service not running, and now here you can see we got one small type of toggle. So if you do up, so now we got notification bar, means status bar. So I say if you want your notification or status bar, then we have to slide down. But here by using this app you can just slide up. So you can just slide up for getting the status or notification bar. So now here let me show you the again. So here I'm doing up. So now here you can see. So you can also go to settings, or you can adjust your brightness settings all in this one, and you can also turn on your mobile data or Wi-Fi, everything. So this is like a, so this one is full like a notification bar. So let's go to the tiles. So here, so now here you can see purchase. So this app is a money app. So if you want to more features, then you have to purchase this app. But if you don't want more features, and if you want this app only for normal purpose, then you can download this app and you can enjoy it. So here let's go to some other settings. So handle. So now here you can see the size, how much size you want, you can keep it. And here I think it's okay. And let's see the layout. So again here you can see it's saying purchase. Because if you want to use this app like a pro, then you must buy this app. But if you don't want all those features, then you can use this app for free. So just go to Play Store and type bottom quick settings. So link will be in the description. Go and check it out. So that's it guys in this video. I hope you like that. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share this video to all. If you have any doubt, then comment me in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Jai Hind.